Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to replace the headlights and the parking lights and turn signal assemblies from our 2003 Silverado Cat Eye project. So as you can see, these lights look like crap. We've actually got a fish bowl of sorts going in this lens. So I'm going to replace the lens with some aftermarkets from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description of the video. The first step obviously is going to be, you want to know where to aim your headlights when you're done. So I just pulled in front of the garage and I've put two little pieces of tape right in the middle of the brightest spot on the old lights, so that at least we have a reference point to get us started. Once we replace the lenses, we'll have a good aim spot. So follow along, we're going to make this quick and easy. Okay, getting these out is fairly straightforward. You just lift this tab and get this under the lip here. Pull this part out. Move this cable out of the way, and you're just leaning it forward and lifting it out of the mounting brackets. And you want to undo the headlight bulbs. Be very careful with these not to touch them or disturb them. There's literally, I mean, that's it. I mean, there's two slots in the bracket, there and there, and two bulbs, and that's it for the actual headlight, if that's all you're going to change. Okay, here's our shiny new assemblies. The only adjustments that I can find are going to be on the top, right there. So that's more than likely going to be just a a vertical adjustment up and down. Okay, on the lower one, there's a tab on this side that you're going to push in while you're pulling the light forward. And this one's got 3 bulbs on it. They do have a little locking tab on the back, so be careful with those. And hook your bulbs and the little parking light bulb in the corner. And that's it. And get rid of our goldfish bowl. Okay, while we're here, we're going to change these bulbs on the lower one, because this outer one was burned out. Somebody decided to paint them blue. So installation is the opposite of removal. Set that there. There's a tab in the there's a tab in the bracket right there, and then your snap is there. That's your lower lights, nice and shiny. Okay, again, being very careful not to disturb these bulbs. Last. Okay, when you're done, they want to be oriented with this facing down. tabs on the bottom into the bracket. Get the cable out of the way. And line them up into the slots here. Alright, lock the tab back in place. If you need to adjust your height, there's a Phillips head right there. So as you can see, that made a world of difference in the look on the truck. You got old and hazy and new and beautiful. Much better than polishing and buffing the old lights. Okay, as you can see, the lights are much better. And the mark on the garage door here is a little off. So we're just going to adjust it slightly. Turning counterclockwise to go up. That's our brightest spot right there. So now it's close enough to get to a garage and actually get somebody with a headlight aiming machine to take a look at it. So we're going to do the other side, and that was it. I hope you found this informative. Please like and subscribe and support my channel. I really appreciate it. I'll put links to everything in the description.